up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Jib My Whip, a very fun one at that. We're at the Pink Flamingo warehouse party. Yes, we're one of the sliders tonight, and yes, I'm stuck in line, but I just wanted to say hi to get this night started, and we're just gonna have to go from there because there's not much else to talk about. Yo! Yeah! What's up, man? How you doing?
How you been, bro?
Doing good.
Yeah,
just stuck in line. Already getting noticed by the homies back there, and we're gonna have a good night. Pretzel's giving me a couple of issues here and there with some coolant leaking, but we are just going to go ahead and ignore that for tonight and focus on having fun out here. It is super dark. Let me get into some better lighting. We'll keep talking. All right, now we got some more lighting. Check it out at the Pink Flamingo warehouse party with all the sliders. We got it lined up. Check this out. Pretzel's here. I gotta go find. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. So check this out, y'all. As you see, I am dressed so warm right now. I have a heated jacket on. Under this jacket, it's about 10 degrees outside, and all of us maniacs have decided that we're gonna go watch some cars, do some slides.
We outside, ain't that right, baby?
Yeah, we outside. So everything's ready. Pretzel's giving me a couple of issues with some cooling stuff going on with the engine. I'm not really worried about it right now. The car got here just fine. It's got a small leak. It should be able to handle the pit though. It's only about a 2 or 3 minute run. Lots of fun stuff planned tonight. These guys got lots of cars out here. We're gonna go walk around and see some cars here in a second, and we're gonna get this night started. Yo! Yo, it's cold as brick outside, bro.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
It's cold as brick outside. Ooh, 63. Oh my god. Woo! Yo,
right there.
it's cold as hell outside, dude.
Bro,
it's so cold.
I gotta wrap this shit on, bro.
Dude. I can't. I'm wearing gloves, 3 jackets, 2 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of socks, and I still feel it.
Imagine being in the north, bro.
Imagine. So check it out. It is deep as hell right now, and there's tons of cars coming in on the line. All the sliders are already here, including myself, and we're gonna get lit today.
G80.
Woo!
Hair, makeup, sleeve.
So everything going good here. Somebody got hit, so we had to stop the tandem real quick. Pretzel's doing really good. I was just getting warmed up. Somebody got hit when you probably saw it on camera. Damn, so that took a turn for the worst, but that was fun as hell. And you know, shout out to the dude who got hit. I hope you feel better, bro. I know you're going to the hospital right now. I don't know exactly what happened. I just know Vet hit him first. I don't know if I hit him too. I just have to look at the footage back. Either way, it was fun. Super cold out. Pretzel did amazing. A little bit of overheating issues I've been battling, but like I said, it was enough for me to get in the pit and come back out. I lost a little bit of coolant, so I'm letting the engine cool down so I can add some more to it. But it was a really good night nonetheless. That was fantastic. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. You guys were so lit today. Listen, the way y'all were screaming for me and everything like that when I was getting into the pit, that's the energy that I need. That got me piped up so much, bro. I love y'all. Thank you so much for that. That's the most support I've ever had, and it really it was more than SAC, more than anywhere. I love my home city, bro. So shout out to every one of y'all that was shouting for me. And other than that, guys, that's really everything. I will see y'all on the next episode of Jerk My Whip. Peace.